Teams can be complex, multi-level systems of individuals who perform interdependent tasks. The state of flow is a period of increased attention towards one task where creativity seems effortless and we perform at our best. Just like the individual flow state where productivity peaks, team flow occurs when a group functions in a task engagement to achieve a goal. Team flow has shown higher positive relation to team performance even when compared to individual flow or regular socializing. To understand the neural basis behind team flow, an experiment showed that team flow is indeed a distinct brain state. Team flow is always present in teams with effective leadership. Leaders that give rise to feelings of safety, fairness, authenticity, and openness help to trigger a chemical in the brain known as oxytocin. This chemical makes people more receptive to feeling genuine trust towards a leader. The social brain therefore prioritizes leaders who are not perceived as a threat and who do not trigger feelings of injustice, anger, or frustration. During the past years, teamwork has shifted into a virtual state. The number of daily active users of Teams increased from 20 million to 145 million in the past 2 years. But how are team dynamics portrayed in a virtual environment? Wall Street Journal reported that 73% of virtual meetings have between 2 and 4 people. This indicates favor to smaller meetings. 94% of businesses say that video conferencing increases productivity and reduces time to complete tasks by 80%. Another advantage is that meetings can be recorded for a permanent record of discussions and decisions. Breakout rooms in which smaller groups can interact can make large events more engaging, and team members can simultaneously edit meeting documents through real-time editing programs. On the other hand, there are also disadvantages to virtual teamwork, as studies show that these types of meetings have increased loneliness rates. Team members also have no opportunities for informal, unplanned social interactions, which help develop shared cognitions about work problems as well as shared understandings of coworkers. Even though 2020 was the period when a drastic increase in virtual teamwork was observed, the initial interest started with globalization. Advances in information and communication technologies have made it possible for international businesses to rely more and more on virtual teams rather than traditional team structures based in one place. Since 2009, the number of people who work from home has risen by 159%. With globalization, we've seen the development of tools that enable effective collaboration between teams and employees separated by thousands of miles. As teams become more international, an awareness for global citizenship supports cooperation in harmony. Education for global competence includes and promotes cultural awareness and respectful interactions in increasingly diverse societies in and outside the workspace.